Back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can apply animated overlay image to a video in Expo React Native for Android using Media3. So let's get started. So first let me show you guys the demo. So here you can see I have a pick video button. I'll just click on it. It will open the video picker for me. I'll just select this particular video. Now depending on how big your video is, the process will take a bit of time. So here I only have 15-second video, and here this thing which you see on the text is a progress bar. I'll talk more about it later on. But here you can see we are able to add an overlay to the video, animated overlay, so the Android icon which you are able to see, and also the video is saved to external storage. So if I click on pick video, here you can see there are two videos now. Also I'll talk more about this particular progress thing which I showed. I'll just click another one. Okay, so the progress, the progress thing you can see over here, right? There are two things, so the 2 and 91 which you saw. So the first value which is there is actually the progress state, and the second value which you saw was the actual progress from 0 to 100. But if you notice, the actual progress not always it reaches till 100, it might stop at 90 as well. So the progress state becomes very useful in case if you are displaying a progress bar, to hide it whenever the progress state becomes 0. That's an indication to you that the video has finished processing and you can display it inside a video player. So that's the only thing. So yeah, let's see how to achieve this. So first, this is just a cheat sheet which I have created. So first you need to go to this particular URL and select your own template. I'm using this blank TypeScript template, and then I just ran this particular command. So this will create an Expo React Native application for me using this blank TypeScript template. It will just ask you for the application name, so just give some name. Then you need to come to this particular URL over here, and at the time of me recording this video, there is no third-party library available to achieve this functionality. So here that's why we need to write native code. So here just select Android device, select development build, then disable EAS, select your own operating system. I have already installed Watchman, Cache Zulu. I have already set the Java home. I have already installed Android Studio as well. So you need to do all this setup as well. I have already set the this particular path as well as source home as well. And then you just need to cd to your Expo React Native application and then run this particular command over here. Once that is done, just run this command over here. So this will create an Android folder for you. So if you want to see, here you can see it has created an Android folder for me. Then you need to go to this particular URL over here and just run this command. So it will ask you some questions like what should be the module name and everything. Just press enter 3 times because I have kept everything as default, and then it should create this module, my module, for you. Now I'll just close this cheat sheet. So just go to modules, my module, go to src, my modules.type.ts, and here I have not really changed anything. So here this is all the code which is present by default. Okay, so here we are using this prop of URL, this particular prop, sorry, this is the prop. So whatever video has been selected, we are sending the path of the video URL back to native Android side to do all the processing, and once the video has been saved to external storage, it gives us back the video URL back to Expo React Native side to play the video. Then inside package.json I have installed two dependencies, Expo image picker for picking video and React Native video for playing the video. I think there is Expo video as well. If you want, you can use that as well, so it's up to you. Then you just need to go to my modules.ts and okay, hold on, modules, let me quickly check. Think I have messed up something. My module.kt, apply effect. Okay, I think I forgot to add this particular method over here, sorry about this. So apply effect, and if you see over here, if you let me just quickly check this, it takes a value, right? So I'll just do the same thing over here, value of type string, and how do I get the path? I get it via progress. Okay, so here I'll just do promise void, sorry about this, I forgot this particular step. So inside my module.ts you need to add this particular method as well. Like in case for me it worked because like I think there was not strong type checking because of how the module is structured in Expo React Native, but this should be mandatory. Sorry, I forgot this. So you need to add this. Then you need to go to my module.type.ts, and there is one more thing which I added is the progress one. So value was present by default, so value will give the URL of the transform video. The progress will give us the actual progress of how much things have happened. Then you need to go to app.tsx, and here these are all the imports. Then here I have created one state for video URL and one for progress, and here you can see we are constantly listening for this on change event. So whenever we get the progress, we just update the progress state, and whenever we get the value which is not equal to undefined, null or empty, then we update the video URL as well. Then here on our button click we just launch the image picker, and the media types is of video, and if result is not cancelled then we just call the apply effect method which we have just created, right? And here we pass the URI of the selected video. Then here for this is a text element for displaying the progress. If video URI is not equal to empty, then we just use this video element to play the actual video. Alright, then okay, so these are all the styles for it in case if you want to copy it. Then you just need to go to the Android build.gradle file, and here you need to add this dependencies block. So here just add this Media3 effect, then Media3 transformer, Media3 common, and app compat dependency as well. Then go to my module.kt over here. So firstly these are all the imports, so feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports. Then here I have also extended transformer.listener, so this will help us to override two methods, on completed as well as on error. I'll talk more about it later on. Then here I have defined few variables like file name, file path, handler, progress holder. Then here we have our context as well as our activity, and an array list of effect as well. Then again this code is present by default, so I'll just simply scroll through this. I have not changed any of this. Then here is our apply effect method. So we just launch it with the help of coroutine. In case if there is any effect, like if there is any item present inside this array list, I'll just clear this out. Then here we use this immutable list.builder, passing in the texture overlay. Here is our animated overlay as well, logo overlay. So I'll come back to this separately. This is a separate file. Then we just do overlays builder.build, passing it to our effect. We initialize our transformer, we initialize our input media item, we initialize our edited media item as well. Then we create this external file, we start our transformation, and this entire thing which you see is for tracking the progress. So here you can see we are sending the progress state, the 0, 1 and 2 which you saw, and the progress holder, the progress holder dot progress which goes from 0 to 100. But like I told you, be careful, it does not always reach till 100. Then here I have just added 500 milliseconds delay. Then this is the code for creating external file as well. Then this is the code for saving the file to external storage. I'll simply scroll through this because even I have copied this code from their documentation. Then like I said, this is the on completed callback, and once the video has finished processing, we save it to external storage and we send the URI back to Expo React Native site. And this is for on error, so here we just display a toast message. Then coming to this main folder, you need to create another folder called res. Inside res you need to create a drawable folder, and inside this you can take whatever image you feel like. So I have taken this particular image. Then just create this particular kotlin file called animated logo overlay.kt. Now this I have copied it from the Android GitHub documentation. So yeah, GitHub source code, sorry. So even I'm not really good at this, I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy this code. Only important thing which you need to remember is this should be your image name, that's it. Rest everything I've just copy pasted it. So here you can see they are generating the keyframe animation as well. Yeah, that's all there is to it. I'll simply scroll through this. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.